Look, I'm excited. My mama is cooking something. What are you cooking, mother? Mama, sa'yo mo lutoon.
Kana akong kilawon.
Kilawon. I think she's gonna make some kamote salad. Kamote leaf salad. Or potato leaf salad. See? She already prepared the leaves.
Ako ni tanong po.
Okay. I hope that will survive. I hope this will grow. She's gonna plant this potato. Stalk of potatoes. See, this is what she's going to cook. I think she's just going to steam it. And these are the ingredients, spices. So red onion. What is that, mother? Oh, ginger. And then she's gonna put salt in it. Guys, she really makes good salad. Or kinilaw in Bisaya. So let's see. Let's wait until it's done. Here's the finished product. So this is after she steamed the leaves. This is not fully cooked. Okay, this is like half cooked. The steam will be crunchy. My mama is an expert of making this salad. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I think she already put vinegar in it, right? Ma, imo na nagbutangag vinegar? Imo na nagbutangag suka? Ah, okay.
Di lang sa palamangan.
Okay.
Tamis ka ni sabaw.
Really?
Ni ko bisot anya to. Mo ni. Usa kanigo. Pero pulos man to. Dahon na nga ko. Ingon na niyo kaning mga gay. Wa pa matinan ng galay-galay. Sus, man to eh.
Sa kanigo?
Daga pa magkwato. Way sudan. Wagay suka. Way lamas. Pulos lang inanit. Gay.
Paminaw mo, guys.
Way bitaw kay.
See, they
Way
survive.
sudan. Kapiki magyod na to
Just
mama.
with the kamuti leaves.
Nga noton ni diha naman to
Sige
sila
na.
kasukat nga. Kita nananom na og nga lubi. Kaya sa nakakupras na. Hindi nakabawi.
Let me try it. Just one. I just want to try it.
Na diyan itong pagkaminyo na mo. O pesudan sila may kar. Doon ang to sila kabuti. Muto amo
Wanna see it,
ako
guys?
gibuhat.
Ah.
Kaya man sila kasuway kilaw-kilaw.
Oh my God, see? How crunchy it is.
May ikat ka ng udlot.